Hello, it's Saturday the 5th of May, and in this video I'm going to look at the latest Thunderball result and predict some numbers. These are the numbers that I'm predicting for tonight's draw, and in the last draw I predicted number 4, so I won £3. This is what it looks like at the moment. The latest draw was machine 3, set of balls 1. And that was draw number 22-28. So I'm just gonna add that to my draw history. Okay, so looking at the most recent draw, you can see that Thunderball number 4 was the most overdue. So it was the most outstanding in that respect. So that's how I knew to predict Thunderball number 4, but I didn't get any of the other main numbers. So let's just see where the winning numbers were on this chart. That's where the main numbers were. It was machine 3, and on the chart for machine 3 you can see number 4, Thunderball number 4 that is, was also most overdue for its frequency. And this is where the winning main numbers were. So not particularly outstanding. If we narrow it down even further to machine 3 and set of balls 1, then now you can see that number 19 was most overdue. And also Thunderball number 4 most frequent. So let's see where the winning numbers were on this chart. So we've got 13 on the edge of the chart as well. Not very easy to predict though. So let's look at numbers paired with each other. So paired with Thunderball number 4, quite a small chart, can't really see much on it. If I expand it to include the current trend, you can see at least number 7, one of the most frequent on that. Now if we look at the other numbers, such as 19, the one that was most overdue, and look at numbers paired with that, Thunderball number 4 most overdue and main number 19. That's where the other winning numbers were. So you can see just some of the possible reasons why these numbers came out. Now for the next draw, the numbers numbers that I'm predicting. The numbers that I'm predicting are these ones. So, to give you an idea why, there's 32, most overdue for its frequency. Number 18, most frequent. And then for the Thunderball number 11, because it's most frequent. So those are the numbers again. That's what I've got on for tonight, so I'll see if I win. So that concludes this video. Subscribe for the next one. Bye for now.